So a lot of people wonder, if I have a revocable living trust for estate planning purposes, can I just hold my rental property inside of that trust? And the answer is yes, you sure can. And that will be great for estate planning purposes. The property will avoid probate. You'll be able to get to the property to the people who you want it to go to on your death. That'll be fine for those purposes. What you give up if you own an investment rental property inside of a revocable living trust is asset protection. Two kinds of asset protection. If something bad happens on that property, then that plaintiff can come after everything that's inside of the trust and everything that you own personally that may not even be inside of the trust. And so that's the first risk. The second risk is that if you get sued for something else, that plaintiff can take that rental property away from you, even if it's in a revocable living trust. It's one of the myths that gets circulated out there, that if I own my asset inside of a revocable living trust, that it's protected. That is absolutely not true. Now, there is some asset protection that can come about from a revocable living trust after you're dead, if it's drafted properly. That's possible. But during your lifetime, there is zero asset protection for you for any asset held in a revocable living trust. So then we're asked, well, what if I put my rental property inside of an irrevocable trust? Can I do that? The answer again is yes, you sure can. But you give up something. You give up control over that asset. To legitimately contribute an asset to an irrevocable trust, you will protect it, but you will give up control over it because you're not the trustee of that trust. And it also creates some potential tax issues, as when you contribute that asset to an irrevocable trust, you are making a gift to the beneficiaries of that trust. So it could create gift tax issues or estate tax issues. So simply transferring an asset to an irrevocable trust is almost always not advisable. The way that we use an irrevocable trust is to transfer fractional shares of LLC interest or limited partnership interest to an irrevocable trust so that we control how much we're gifting and how much the irrevocable trust owns, rather than simply giving 100% ownership of the asset to the irrevocable trust.